So in compounds containing halogen on sp2 hybridized carbon atom, there are two types. They are, first one is vinylic halides, the second one is aryl halides. So first one, vinylic halides. Vinylic halides, aryl halides, they are also, their definitions also are very important for exam. Okay, so what are vinylic halides? So these are the halogen compounds in which halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom means carbon containing carbon, that is carbon-carbon double bond. This is sp2 hybridized. So halogen is attached to sp2 hybridized. That means carbon-carbon double bond. So complete the valency CH2 CHX. Or example you can write CH2 double bond CH Cl. This is called as vinyl chloride. Common name of this compound is vinyl chloride. What is its IUPAC name? IUPAC name, this is 1,2, that is chloroethene. IUPAC name, chloroethene. Common name is vinyl chloride. IUPAC name is chloroethene. So these are vinyl halides. What are vinyl halides? These are the halogen compounds in which the halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That is carbon-carbon double bond. This group CH2 double bond CH, this group is called vinyl group. This vinyl group is attached to chloro group. This is, therefore this is vinyl chloride. This is vinylic halide. Now we can give one more example, that is which contains closed ring structure. If we consider double bond here, the halogen should be attached directly to this halogen, or we can write Cl or Br, anything you can write, any halogen. So what is the name of this compound? This is 1-bromo cyclohexene. 1-bromo, this is first carbon atom. So this is 1-bromo cyclohexene. Which type of halide it is? It is vinylic halide. Next one is aryl halide. What are aryl halides? Aryl means aromatic group, aromatic ring. So these are the compounds containing halogen on sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That means in these compounds the halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring itself. In these compounds, halogen atom is attached to, this is aromatic ring, benzene ring. This carbon is sp2 hybridized. So here halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of aromatic ring. In aryl halides, halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. So we can give example: chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, anything we can write, or any other examples also we can give. So these are aryl halides. So now let us study something. Let us study about dihalogen compounds or dihalo compounds. Dihalogen compounds. What are dihalogen compounds? These are the halogen compounds in which two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two halogen atoms. So in this compounds, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two halogen atoms. That is, for example, we can consider they contain two halogen atoms. Let us consider ethane, CH3, CH3. We can write its structure CH3, CH3. In dihaloalkanes, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two halogen atoms. If we replace these two hydrogen atoms, so this is a dihalide we get. Or we can replace here, we have replaced both the hydrogen atoms of the same carbon. Both the hydrogen atoms we have replaced of same carbon. In one more we can do ethane, same ethane let us consider. Here if we replace one hydrogen atom from this carbon and one hydrogen from this carbon, this also is dihalide, this also is dihalide. So based on which hydrogen atoms, on which carbon atom the halogen atoms are present, there are two types of dihalogen compounds. That is, dihalides are of two types. They are, first one is geminol. Yes, geminol dihalide. And the second one is vicinol dihalide. Geminol dihalide and vicinol dihalide. What is geminol? You can remember here, this is geminol dihalide. That is, example, if we replace, if we consider this as Cl, we get CH3, CH, Cl, Cl. Or anything you can write Cl. This is geminol dihalide. In this dihalide, the halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom. Halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom. That means we can remember there is jam. They are attached to the same carbon atom, so they are jam, like that you can remember. So it is geminol dihalide. So this is the example for geminol dihalide. The second one is vicinol. What is meant by vicinol? Vicinity. That is, in the close vicinity means in the neighborhood. So here the two halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon atoms. That is, neighboring adjacent carbon atoms. So example for vicinol dihalide is vicinol dihalide example we can write CH2Cl, single bond CH2Cl. This is vicinol dihalide. Here the two halogen atoms are attached to the neighboring carbon atoms. Two halogen atoms are attached to neighboring carbon atoms. Two halogen atoms are present on neighboring carbon atoms. So that is they are in the close vicinity, that is, they are in the neighborhood, not in the same carbon atom. They are called as vicinol dihalides. So what are geminol dihalides? These are the dihalides in which both the halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. In vicinol dihalides, the two halogen atoms are attached to the two adjacent carbon atoms. So this is about classification of